If you've ever shot HDR video footage on an iPhone, you'll notice that when you're trying to edit that video footage on a desktop computer, that the color and the exposure is completely wrong. So in order to correct this problem, you need to apply a LUT to your footage. And thanks to Filmic Pro, you can download the iPhone LUT pack, which will allow you to just drag the LUT straight onto that footage or an adjustment layer above the footage and provide a color correction in one easy step. So in order to do that, head over to the Filmic Pro website and download the iPhone LUT pack. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. I'm going to show you how to apply this LUT in DaVinci Resolve today, but if you are using other video editors from Final Cut Pro to Premiere Pro, you can also use this same LUT package. In DaVinci Resolve, in order to use these LUTs that you've just downloaded, all you need to do is to unzip the folder and drag the Filmic Pro LUTs into the LUT folder in DaVinci Resolve. To find that folder, click on the gear icon on the bottom right-hand corner of DaVinci Resolve. Click on the Color Management tab on the left-hand side, and then click on Open LUT Folder. Now you can drag your Filmic Pro LUTs into that folder, restart DaVinci Resolve, click on the color icon at the base of the screen in DaVinci Resolve to go into the color management window. And now you'll see the new Filmic Pro LUTs appear on the left-hand side. Click to open the folder and drag the LUTs onto the footage on the timeline. Or if you want to apply the LUT to all of your clips on the timeline in one easy step, you can add an adjustment layer above the video clips and apply the LUT to the adjustment layer. There are a few different LUTs available. You can experiment with all of them. I find that the best LUT to use for the footage that I shoot on my iPhone 12 is either of the two LUTs in the 10-bit SDR LUT folder, the Filmic DEHLG V3, which provides a similar color tone to the one originally shot, or the Filmic D-Log V3, which I feel provides more natural skin tones. So you can select either of those and try them out in your footage, and you should get a very good result by simply using these LUTs. So hopefully you found this information helpful. If you have any comments or questions about what you've seen here today, feel free to drop them in the comments box below. And if you did enjoy this video, consider liking and subscribing to the channel to be notified of up and coming video releases. If you want to see more content on how to use DaVinci Resolve, I'll leave a link to that playlist in the description box below. Be sure to check those videos out. See you on the next one. Bye for now.